In today's video, we're going to set up a MySQL database and phpMyAdmin using Docker. This will allow us to manage our database through a web interface easily. Let's dive straight into the commands and break down each step. First, we will create a Docker network using the following command: Docker network create SQL_network. This command creates a custom network named SQL_network. Docker allows us to create isolated networks to make it easier for containers to communicate with each other. By creating this network, we ensure that our MySQL database and phpMyAdmin containers can securely talk to each other without interference from other containers. Next, we're going to run the MySQL database container. Docker run -d starts the container in detached mode, meaning it will run in the background. --name MySQL_db gives our MySQL container the name MySQL_db so we can easily reference it. --net SQL_network connects the container to the SQL_network, allowing communication with other containers on that network we created earlier. -p3306 3306 maps port 3306 on our local machine to port 3306 inside the container. -e MySQL_root_password equals password sets the root password for MySQL to password. You can replace this with any strong password you prefer. MySQL latest specifies that we're using the latest version of the official MySQL image from Docker Hub. MySQL 8.4 specifies that we're using the 8.4 version of the official MySQL image from Docker Hub. As we don't have the Docker image locally, it will be downloaded automatically. It took around 2 to 3 minutes, but the duration may vary depending on your internet speed.
Next we are going to run phpMyAdmin container.
Docker run -d starts the container in detached mode, meaning it will run in the background.
Name phpMyAdmin gives our container a friendly name. -net SQL_network connects it to a custom Docker network shared with MySQL. -p8080 80 maps port 8080 on the host to port 80 in the container, so we can access phpMyAdmin from the browser. The -e flags set environment variables. phpMyAdmin_host equals MySQL_db tells phpMyAdmin which MySQL container to connect to, and phpMyAdmin_port equals 3306 sets the MySQL port. Finally, we use the image phpMyAdmin/phpMyAdmin latest, which Docker pulls automatically if it's not found locally. After this, open your browser and go to http://localhost 8080. Log in using your MySQL username and password. And you're in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.